I just moved locations because every time I try to film in that spot, it's beautiful. People come in with like race cars to go on the twisty road, so it gets really loud. It is lunchtime, baby. That's my favorite time of the day. I usually eat the big meals at lunch, and then at dinner I eat light. I am on a ramen kick right now, but I'm gonna make it super simple, just a few things for protein, and they should be coming out pretty delicious. All right. I like these little bowls that I got. It helps me portion out the food a little bit better. So I pretty much dumped all the dishes in the sink so I can go wash them closer to a spigot. Oops, seatbelt. Safety first. Dishes are done. Just gotta dry them up a bit. I do use good old nature friendly soap, so I don't put any chemicals in the soil or anything like that, in case you were wondering. This thing is amazing for chopping vegetables or chopping everything, because I can just scoop stuff. I have a smaller one, but I saw this somewhere on sale and just figured I'd give it a try, and I like it so far. All the dishes are put away, and I figured I would go for a little walk to get some exercise after that big bowl of ramen and so much protein. So let's go. was a nice little hike. It started to get hilly, so I turned back. Made it back to the van. Check out this video up here if you want to see more van life stuff. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.